Happy birthday, Lolo Hill! Wishing you good health and long life. Na hi. Na bye-bye. Ay. Hi. Hi. Na si Ate Man.
Happy birthday, Manihel. Napunta Mayo yung mga panlawas.
Happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday, Tito Gilbert. Ako na si Aileen. And I am praying and wishing you good health and happy life. Isa ko sa mga chess teammate ni Hazel. Enjoy your special day and God bless you po. See you soon.
Hi, Kuya Hill. Happy birthday. My friend Hazel told me how wonderful you are, so I'm sending you my best wishes. Wishing you happiness, and may the Holy Spirit fill your heart with peace and harmony and love and joy deep within your heart. And stay healthy. Cheers. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tito Gilbert. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, ha, and be happy all the time. And this is a special day for you, so smile. Happy birthday, Tito.
Hi Tito, happy birthday. It's been a while. I really miss your genuine smile every time muagi ko sa inyong store. And today is your birthday. It's a special day. I hope this year will bring you peace, love, happiness, and good health. See you around. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tatay Hel. Enjoy your day. I miss you. I love you. Amping mulera. Amping jud perming. Ako ray misteryo kay sila malaog si Palo kay mauwaw.
Mag-rate lang ko sa akong pinakagwapo nga uyuan nga si Tito Hili og happy birthday. Wish na ko nimo Tito Hili nga tagaan pagkagdaghan pang katuigan nga happy birthday. Kapiskay sa panglawas og happy kauban ni Inday Hazel. Greetings diri sa London, United Kingdom, ang pinakagwapo ug pinakaambunga nimo nga pagumangkon. Ivan.
Hi Tito Hill, Iris ni. I just would like to wish you happy birthday, and I hope and pray that you will have more birthdays to celebrate, and pinaka-importante sanan good health kanunay, pagpadayon lang yuta, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this special day and have fun. Bye.
Hi Tito, sila Milning, and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito! I hope you remember me, Reg. I think mas maka-remember ka ni Carl. Who you call Clark at that time, tong high school ni. But, fortunately, may nagkadayon. Pero, I just remember, every after school kay mohapit jud mi sa inyo ha, kay mukaon mig kwek-kwek o katong cheese steaks, and I'm so happy and grateful na until now kay ma-remind ko ana na memory with you and Tita. I know you miss Tita, but Tito, we are here to celebrate with you, and we are so grateful that you became part of our lives. Happy birthday, Tito! Love you!
Tito Hel, happy birthday na. Mara sa ko yung December 1. Kita tito. Masalamat sa ko sa imong pagdako ni Hazel po. Dako ba siya tabang po sa akong kinabuhi ba ya? Happy sa ko kay gagaw mi. Happy sa ko na ito po ka na ko. Mara ka po. Ay, ini pohon sa decide sa December 1. Happy birthday. Amping sad deha. Amping sad mo.
Hi Tito Hill, happy 62nd birthday. Ako de ay si Bea, classmate ko ni Tina pag high school. Usasad ko sa mga estudyanteng mag-agian diha permit sa inyo hang
quick-quickan sa private, labi na every Friday. Kay naarabay pakapin quick-quick, basta makomplito mig palit diha sa inyong quick-quickan the whole week. So, thank you kayo sa mga pakapin sa una and for being part of those happy high school memories sa mga Carolinians, because I know for sure daghan makarelate. Di na ko malimot ang positive energy nga permi na mo masinati sa una gikan ninyo, and you always put smiles on everyone. And for Tina, she's truly a beautiful product of love. And I'm very sorry di ay sa passing of Tita Feli. I hope you continue to live with the same love for Tina and for Tita Feli. Hinaot magpakahimsog ta permi. And again, happy birthday.
Hi Sir Gilbert, happy 62nd birthday sa imo ha sir. Ako day tuod si Eddie, office mate mi ni Hazel before sa Ex Libris, and I just wish that this year will be filled with happiness and peace of mind for you. I know sometimes life can be heavy, but I pray to God that may He bless you with more years to come and the best of health and happiness. God bless her and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Ang akong message para sa imong birthday kay unta, bisan medyo mingaw, kay dili ka makalimot sa mga blessings nga naani mo ron. And unta, hinumduman pod nimo nga si ate kay nagbantay na nimo nga anghel ron. So, ganahan lang pod ko mo thank you kay dako baya kayo mga part ni ate pod sa amo ang high school life. Pila na katuig ang nilabay, wala gihapon gid may kalimot sa inyuhang ka-friendly ug kabuutan sa amoa. Unya dako sad gid kay mong part sa kung unsa mi karon. So, ganahan lang ko mo greet og happy birthday og hopefully happy ra pud mo diha.
Happy birthday, Mr. Sato. Wish you all the best, good health, and more blessings to come. God bless.
Hi, Tito Hill. On this special day, I want to speak blessings over your life. I pray that God surrounds you with His love, His peace, and unending grace. May He continue to guide you every step and open doors that no one can shut. Tito Hill, I pray that the Lord grants you excellent health, strength in your body, and refreshing in your spirit. May He protect you, sustain you, and fill your days with energy, joy, and peace. I also pray that God blesses you with an abundant life, not just material blessings, but in love, purpose, and meaningful relationships. May He multiply everything good in your life and remove every burden that weighs you down. As you celebrate yet another year, may God remind you of how valuable, loved, and chosen you are. May this new chapter be filled with breakthroughs, victories, and answered prayers. Tito Hill, enjoy your day. You deserve the blessings coming your way. Once again, happy birthday, and may God richly bless you today and always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Na, hapo. Pag-apo na, kuya. Dapat, happy birthday. No. Happy birthday. So, kuya, happy birthday. So, ayaw kahagard. So, be happy lang good despite everything. We're so, we've been there even though if wala ko ni comment or like reply or sa post, pero we've been there unsay nahitabo ni ku ate. But despite that, it's really been a great love story with the family, with you and ate. Sa una pa, will never forget you. Every memories, if ever makahapit me doon sa veterinary, ang memories was the best memories we have with you and ate. Ang pinakabutan na mamaligya na mo sa una, og lami nga pagkaon with chika extra. So, di mo makalimtan. So, it's really every birth nga makuha ninyo. And love stories sa dinyo ni ate. Blessing before siya nawa. Like, nindot kayo yung love story before mo end. So, I'm so happy actually. And I know kaya ninyo kamo together. Together sa imong anak. So, nakita nag-apo. Para malingaw na. Joke, di bitaw. No pressure. Pero mo to, I know kaya ninyo. So, stay stronger. I know si ate is always there to watch us in heaven. Good. Because she's worth it na siya sa heaven. Butan kay mo buyag. And we miss you so much. Always a great memory sa San Carlos. Until now, they have missed katong wala na kita. Because we miss so much. We missed you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday. Kanang, minaw na ko nimo. Kanang, tanang gani akong hayag kong pwede mo makavisit there and to have kwek. So hopefully I'll see you soon and kanang enjoy your day. Hope you know that I'm here. I'm always going to be here and love you, Tito. Happy birthday.
Maayong butag. Happy birthday, Tito Hill. Happy 62nd birthday, Tito Hill. Wish na po ni mo, no? You will be filled with strength, peace, and mga bagong makalipay. I know that life hasn't been easy for the past years, and I know you've carried your share of pain and loss, but nakita sa nimo nga naasay courage or pag-asa magpadayon to move forward with your life. So sa inyong edad karon, kayo pwede pa nga ma-experience mga moments to enjoy with your daughter ni Hazel, mga butang bago nimo nga ma-experience or wala pa nimo ma-experience, o kanang daghan pang rason nga mo smile ka tungod sa mga experiences at bagong mga experiences. Also, ganahan ko makahibaw ka nga nagpadako ka o maayo kaayo mga tao, maayo nga babae, husgan, ligon, to say that those words are not enough to describe how lucky you are. How like Hazel nga, gusto kung magkalisod, magpadayon nga ligon, labaw na ron para nimo. So, ako nang kaya siyang reason nga mo smile ka o magmalipayon sa imo. Angay, pasalamat sa imong adlaw nga natawag. So, more years of good health, laughter, and brighter days ahead. Again, happy birthday to Hill. Keep going, keep living, and keep believing that the best chapters are still ahead. Bye-bye.
Hello! Happy 62nd birthday, Tay! Another year of celebrating your life, your kindness, and the strength you bring to the family. And I also want to say that thank you for the lessons and the jokes you've shared with us. May your day be filled with joy and your year with blessings. And once again, happy birthday!
Hello, Tito! Ka-office mate tayo ko ni Hazel. Just want to greet you a happy birthday and enjoy your day. You're very lucky to have Hazel and the rest of your family. So just have a blast and enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday po!
Paring Gilbert, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mataas na buhay at magandang magandang kalusugan. Once again, happy birthday Kagawad Gilbert.
Happy birthday.
Stay blessed with your daughter Hazel. Much love.
Hi Kuya Gilbert, happy birthday. Ambot lang og nakainomdom pa baka nako. Pero usa ko sa inyohang mga suki sa kwek-kwekan sa una. Nga, gimingaw na ko sa inyong kwek-kwek o cheese steak. Charot. Bitaw Kuya Gilbert. I pray that God will continue to bless you and protect you, give you good health. Kay kamo na lang duha ni Ate Sato karon. And kanang I pray na God will put joy in your hearts and peace. Yeah. Happy birthday once again. Enjoy your day.
Go. Happy birthday, Gil Sato, father ni Tinay, best friend of my daughter Jamie.
Happy birthday, Hill. I wish you a more birthday to come and a good health. Please enjoy your day. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tito Gilbert. I know this year feels different, but I'm praying today brings you comfort and lots of love. We're thinking of you, and I hope you feel surrounded by love, especially from your daughter, Christina. Enjoy your day, and I hope you have more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tay, sa Cheyenne ni. I wish you the best of luck in life and make sure happy gyapon ka as always. And make sure nga magsigig gyapon tag gym. Kaya gyapon na tay. Happy birthday, Tay.
Hello, Col. Happy birthday. Remember, paminaw sa imuhang anak kung patumaron nakaog tambal. Paglakaw-lakaw pod pa nagsasagawas o ay kalimot nga mamarayg sa imong anak usahay nga magdagat mo. O lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Papa Gilbert. Happy 62nd birthday. And I wish you good health and be happy in life, even though that your wife has been passed away, but you still have your daughter, Hazel, and she needs your support and be a proud father. So I wish you a good health along the way and enjoy life to the fullest.
Hi, Tito Hill. Happy 62nd birthday to you. And we hope for a long life, abundant life with Hazel, and a healthier life sa imo ka. And we wish to see you soon once we come back sa Cebu. Manams again.
Bye.
Enjoy your day.
Hi, Tay. This is Shane, not Cheyenne. So, happy birthday. Today is a special day. I wish you good health, stay strong, and enjoy your happiest day.
Happy birthday, Tito! We wish you good health and longer life.
God bless!
Bye! Happy birthday!